So this is your kit for experiment number 5, percentage biased 3-phase differential relay for transformer protection. So here you have to plot the characteristics of the relay. So as you note, the differential transformer is having through two sides. So this is the primary side and this is the secondary side. So this is the supply, main supply for the kit. Then you have, this is your primary side. This is how you are going to generate the voltage, and this is the meter corresponding to it. It is having an ammeter and the time display. Okay? And this is your secondary side. So this is the setup to generate the a voltage and the meter corresponding to it. So both are similar in nature, and this is your relay, the differential relay. Okay? So how we are doing the experiment? The supply is coming from this main supply. One is going to this one side of the supply, and the other is going to the other side of the supply and to the relay also. Okay? We are giving the supply to the relay also. So we will give a voltage from this side, and we will give a voltage to this side, and it will go to, sorry, we will give a current from this side and we will give a current from this side, and it will go to the relay. So one input we are giving at the primary of the relay, and the second at the secondary side of the relay. Okay? So this is input 1 and this is your input 2. Okay? So based on the difference of the current that you get on this side and this side, the numerical relay is designed to operate. Okay? So this is about the kit. This is your relay. This is a programmable relay, numerical relay. So you can program it as per the program given in the manual. Now this is, if you see your manual, this is your manual. So this is the diagram for the relay connection. Okay? So this relay is working in two modes. So depending upon the differential current ID, so this is the relationships for ID. Two type of operations are there. If ID is greater than df1 into IR plus 1 minus df1 by 2 into IK. Okay? And so these are the nomenclature of this particular equation. So depending upon the value of IR, if IR is less than your Kp, okay, the breakup point, so it will work as per the slope 1, and if IR is greater than Kp, then it will work for slope 2. So here we are making the circuit operate as per slope 1. So IR is less than Kp. This is the diagram, okay, for your operating region. This is your operating region. So if IR is less than Kp, then this characteristic it will follow, and if IR is greater than Kp, then this characteristic it will follow. So we will not change the slope 2, we will change with slope 1, and we will take the readings for slope 1 at different slopes, different value of the slopes, and then we will plot the characteristics of the differential relay. So now we have seen the kit, how the kit operates. Now we will see how to program the relay. This is the program that we have to do. So we will keep rest of the things as same, and we will change only the slope 1, okay? Because we are operating it such that your IR is, restraining current is less than the Kp, the breaking point. Okay? So it will work in this region only. So slope 1 will be the operating region. Okay? So we will change slope 1, we will take different values of the slope, and then we will take the readings. So this is how we are going to program.
Press menu key and then to edit, press 2. Password is 1 2 3 4. Enter. Now select group 1 by pressing 1. Now pickup current is 0.2. That is okay. Slope 1 40%, set it 20. Enter 20. Enter. Slope to 80%. And this set it to 50%. enter. Now breakup point 1, enter. Differential 0, enter. CTRW1 set here 1, enter. CTRW2 here also set 1, enter. Now inverse 0, enter. Over excitation 0, enter. Vector, select vector DD0, DD0. Next कहाँ आएगा? Yes. DD0, select here. Now enter, accept. The program is now set. Now press the start button of both sides same time. Slowly increase the primary and secondary current at 1 ampere. At 1 ampere, stop the secondary. Now increase the primary current until the relay trip, and note down the primary current and secondary. Primary is 2.07 ampere, secondary is 1.07 ampere. Now relay trip, I is greater than TIF, IP is 47, IS 21. Note down the reading and enter in the table. Bias is setting is DF 20%, I2 is 1.07, I1 is 2.07, differential current ID is I1 minus I2, standing current IR I1 plus I2 divided by 2. Calculate the biasing using this formula, where is the IK is the 1 ampere.
Okay, so this is how we can do the differential relay. If you will not change the initial settings of 1 ampere at the same time, then the relay will trip while setting, because it will work as per the difference. So one will be at 0 and other will be at 1 ampere. So the relay will trip in between. So it will not allow you to increase the current. So that's why the current should be taken to the set level at the same time. Okay, so this is how we can do the experiment.
Now we change the slope 1 according to this table: 20, 40, 60, 80 up to 100%. Now first reading is taken by us is 20%. Now again we take it at 40%. For that we again change the program. Now edit it. Password 1 2 3 4, enter. Select group 1 by pressing 1. Pick up point 2, enter. Slope 1 40%, enter. Slope 2 50%. Okay, the remain setting is remain same. Now press reset button for exit the program. Now program is set. Now again press the both switch at same time. Again set the current both head at 1 ampere. Increase the primary until the relay trip. This time is the primary current is 2.20, 1.106, and IP is 53, IS 20.